We got a GEHL RS6-42. It is got 1,624 hours. It's a consignment, stock number 2416. The nice thing about these GEHLs and a lot of telehandlers in the industry, the model numbers really do mean something. This will lift 6,000 pounds, 42 feet high. That's the model number and the stats sheet on it. It's a very low-hour machine for its vintage, and it's very well maintained, very clean machine. Customer is consigning it with us. He bought it out of a rental fleet, used it a little bit on job sites, and brought it to us. He doesn't need it anymore, so he's consigned it. Comes with the forks that are on it. I drove it around. It starts right up, drives really nice. Everything works like you think it should. It's a pretty quiet machine, smooth running. We just don't see a lot of GEHLs, so I had to get myself familiar with this machine. So I went out and took it for a spin and made sure everything worked before we put it on the web, and it does. It's a forklift, like Kevin said.
I mean, for under 60,000 to get into a 42-foot forklift, 3 forward, 3 reverse gears, I mean, this is a great value again in these machines. The telehandler market has been very popular in the last couple of years. It's always a popular market, but it seems like the last few years we've gone through a lot of pre-owned telehandlers of all different brands.
It's crazy to think some construction sites and contractors on sites will rent one for 6 months, just have it parked there, just to unload trucks and stuff. I would hate to see what their rental bill is when they can just go buy this, use it for 6 months, offload it like maybe this guy did.
Yeah, for sure.
But anyways, it's on SkullandSquidman.com right now under the telehandlers category under GEHL RS6-42.